In a computer system, the motherboard, also referred to as a MOMO, is the most complicated component. There are many sizes of motherboards that computer manufacturers design for different applications. There are numerous components to a motherboard. These include the CPU socket, where you can place your central processing unit and cool it. PCI Express slots, where you can add dedicated cards such as graphics processing unit or GPU. Memory slots, where you can place your memory RAM modules, and input-output ports, where you can place your peripheral devices such as a scanner or joystick. The computer industry has developed standards to help identify motherboards based on size and features. These types are known as form factors. ATX is the largest at 12 inches by 9.6 inches. Micro ATX is a bit smaller at 9.6 inches by 9.6 inches. And the Mini ATX is the smallest at 6.7 inches by 6.7 inches. The motherboard ties the computer components together and allows them to talk to each other. Without it, none of the computer pieces such as the CPU, GPU, hard drives, or connected devices could interact. Looking for more information about motherboards? Stay tuned for future videos from Computer and Advanced Technology program at South Texas College.